Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off or shut down the PC or laptop here in your Windows 11 using keyboard shortcuts. So without any further ado, let's begin. So most laptop users navigate to the start icon and proceed to the power menu options and click on shutdown whenever they want to turn off or shut down the PC or laptop. However, there is a specific shortcut keys that you can press on in order to turn off or to shut down the PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So before we proceed, let me just show you my on-screen keyboard so that I can show you what exactly keys you are going to press on to avoid any mistake or error. So let me just navigate to my settings and let me just click on open to continue. So from here, let me just proceed with my accessibility. Okay, and let me just scroll down and locate for interaction and go with my keyboard. And let me just turn on my on-screen keyboard. Okay, so here it is. So the keyboard that you need to press on, the key that you need to press on is that you need to press Windows key and X key together and Windows key, X key, and letter U key twice. Again, press Windows key, X key, and letter U key twice. Press the U key twice, and in that way, you would be able to turn off the PC. Okay? Again, press Windows key, X key, and press the U key twice, and you would be able to turn off or shut down the PC. So let's try. Press Windows key, okay? U key, X key. Let me just close this again. Windows key, X key, and in that way, press U key. And in that way, you just have to press U key again and you would be able to shut down your PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have succeeded on turning off or shutting down your PC or laptop using those shortcut keys that I've showed you in this video. So thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.